Welcome. My name is Neo. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a quote, map the quote to a template and share it with potential buyers using PlayClay. Once you log in, you will see the home screen. To create a quote, you can click on the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner and use the flyout menu to go to the quotes section. Here you can click on the Add Quote button to create a new quote, which will take you to the quote creation user interface. You can start off by adding details such as quote name, quote expiration date, quote description, account and the contact details. In case the account is not listed, you can add a new buyer by clicking on Create a New Account button. You can also add or update your customer's billing and shipping details in the billing and shipping address section, and finally you can fill out the information of the person generating the quote in the sales rep section. Now that your quote details are nearly ready, you can start adding quote line items by selecting a price list from the list of available price lists. Then, you can start adding your quote line items here via quick search. Or you can also add a custom line item by clicking on the Insert Custom Line Item option. You can add any number of quote line items to your quote. Now that you have added all your quote line items, you can work on your quantity, product discount, net price, subtotal, etc. Also, if you want to add a master discount or a tax to the entire bill, you can add whatever is applicable. Once you are done updating the quote details and quote line items in your quote, click on the Next button to review your quote. If you're happy with your quote, you can finally submit your quote by clicking on the Submit button. If you want to roll out your quote quickly to your associated buyer, you can do so by clicking on the three dots on the top right corner and clicking on the Email button in the drop-down menu. On click of which you will be able to see a dialog box where you can fill in the required details and email it away by clicking on the Send button. This is how you can simply create a quote in PlayClay. If you do have any further questions, please email contact@playclay.io.